How to fix Instagram account disabled. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your disabled account. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if your account was disabled and you want to get your account back, just follow through and you will be able to fix it. Just tap on your Instagram application on your mobile device and go to your login section. And right now I'm on the login section of Instagram, and now you can see the option that says forgot password. Just tap on it and you will be taken to this kind of page. And now you can see the option that says need more help. Just tap on it and you'll be taken to help center of Instagram. And now you can see the search icon which is around at the top right side of the screen, just besides of hamburger icon. Just tap on it and search for disabled account and tap on disabled account, and now you can see the first option that says disabled Instagram account. Just tap on it and now you can scroll down to find this kind of review section and just tap on no, and you can see this kind of options. Just tap on other, and here you can convey your message that your account is disabled and you want your account back. Just write your message according to your choice and tap on submit, and Instagram team will review your message and they might help you to get back your account. So after doing this step, I hope that you will be able to fix Instagram account disabled. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.